Let's go, dude. Finally a place I can actually afford. Okay, wow. What was that? Oh, that just happens sometimes. Glad you like it. There is one little thing I do have to mention, though. Oh, what? Was there like a murder here or something? 3. Well, it's the only place I can really afford, so. Yeah, they never found like a suspect or anything. But the most recent family did report hearing kids chanting and still something in like a dead language the night before they went missing. Well, I mean, it wasn't family here, and kids just be saying anything, you know? They didn't have kids. Holy shit! Who knows, right? Yeah, I don't know about this place, man. Yeah, figured. We can't get anyone to stay here, so we're probably gonna have to lower the rent to like a flat rate of $100 a month or something. Yeah, where do I sign?